And then one thing that I will say is that I promise you that your CloudFormation project will not deploy on the first try. And to be able to debug that, you can use Cursor or whatever vibe coding tool that you use, and you can actually configure an IAM role to be able to then pass in permissions so that Cursor or whatever vibe coding tool that you can use can actually debug and diagnose the deployment issues that. So if you're familiar with the AWS CLI, you can set up profiles with an IAM role on your computer. And I'm not going to run this because it's going to essentially show sensitive information about my AWS account. But this is like, once you put those two things together, you are going to be unstoppable because you're essentially deploying a CloudFormation project, and then you can have AI debug any deployment issues that happen because it can use the AWS CLI to use something called describe stacks. Describe stacks is very important.